curling started in Wales in 1973, and my father, along with about 5 other guys who'd curled before, founded the Welsh Curling Association. I first started curling at the age of 10, and I was representing Wales at the tender age of 17, and I've been skipping the Welsh team now since 1993.
I started curling at school up in Glasgow. My international career started last year when I had been down with Welsh curling for a couple of years and therefore qualified now that I live in Wales.
You get the Olympic effect where people see it on the TV and they get excited by it and they all want to come down and have a go.
We had 650 people come through the door over about 5 nights after the Olympics, and we've just managed to retain them and keep the interest going, so it's great.
Some guys who came down, Gary Coombs, who came down after the last Olympics in 2010, is already representing Wales in the Welsh team.
Wel, da ni'n chwarae dros yr tîm Cadr Olwyn, yn weithio da ni'n mynd I fyny i'r Alban I chwarae. Mae lot o clwbiau yn yr Alban, ond dim ond un ni yn Cymru.
The way we run the league is for everybody, and this year, because we've got so many new curlers, we've mixed everybody up, so you've got experienced and less experienced curlers together, so that the less experienced ones can get some knowledge from those that have been doing it for a wee while.
Rwy'n braf I weld pawb yn chwarae gilydd I chwarae erbyn plant a dolion a pawb, dweud I gwir. Weithio mae lot o sgil I penderfynu yr canlyniad yr gêm, so dipyn bach o look hefyd.
It's quite easy to learn at first, but it's difficult to master. We can get people playing quite quickly, but then they're still learning. I think I'm still learning after 40 years.